Hi. You can copy-paste a quotation to a new sales order in simpliRP ERP within few seconds. This will be useful in case of standard products. Go to quotation status. You can see a link on the top. Click that. It will show you the list of quotations raised in past 6 months. Select the quotation number that you want to copy. The items in that quotation will show up. Enter customer purchase order number. Select the customer purchase order date. Select the item. If there were any negotiations, enter the new price and quantity. Select the delivery due date. Click Create Sales Order. That's all. A new sales order would be created in a blink of an eye. Now, you can view that sales order mentioned against that quotation. You can click and see the non-commercial print format. You can also go to Sales Order Print menu to view with commercials. Also, this will post all other details from quotation like salesperson name and remarks to the newly created sales order. Please feel free to contact us to know about more features. Thank you.